Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. Now let us start our social science class. Okay children, so all of you listen. Okay. So now all of you take your social studies book, social classwork notes, pencil, eraser, everything. Take first, take your social studies book, social classwork notes, pencil, eraser, everything. Take first. Have you taken children? Have you taken? Yes. In the previous class, we have learned some topics from the third lesson, clothes people wear. Yes? We have learned some topics. Yes? In the previous class. Have you understood that? Yes, I hope you have understood. Now, once we can recall. Okay? So, all of you listen, children. In the previous class, we have learned some topics. Yes? They are: why do we need clothes? Why do we need clothes? Why do we need clothes? Yes, we need clothes to cover our body. Yes, and also the clothes only protect us from rain, cold, dust, insect bites. Yes, so these are all the things we need to cover our body. Yes, so need to wear clothes. Yes, so clothes are one of our basic need, like food, shelter. Yes, yes or no? Like that, clothes also one of our basic need. So we need to wear clothes to cover our body. Okay children, can you understand? Then second topic, clothes for different season. In our India we have three seasons. They are summer season, winter season and rainy season. So we are changing the different season. We are changing our clothes. Okay. First of all, summer season. The summer season we wear cotton cloth because the sun shine brightly in summer season. Yes. So that we have to wear light cotton cloth. Okay. So the cotton cloth we get from cotton plant. Okay. So cotton cloths are keep us cool during the summer season. So that we have to wear cotton cloth during the summer season. Okay children. Then winter season. Winter season is very cool season. Okay children. So that we wear woolen cloth. In winter season we wear woolen cloth. Okay, woolen cloth keep us warm. During the winter season woolen cloth keep us warm. So that we wear woolen cloth during the winter season. For example, woolen cloth, sweater, muffler. Yes. So these all the cloths are woolen, made by woolen. Okay. After that, rainy season. Rainy season is heavy rainfall season. Okay. So that we have to wear some special type of cloths covering our cloth. நம்ம clothக்கு மேல special type of cloths we wear in rainy season so that we can protect from the rain. Okay. So in that summer season we wear raincoats and whenever we go outside we carry umbrella. And also we have to use waterproof. Okay, waterproof is the cloth. That cloth do not absorb the water. Okay, so we need to wear different cloth like this, different season and climate condition. Okay, so need to wear cloth during the season. Okay, depending the season condition. Okay, then uniform is the special cloth. When we are coming to school we wear uniform. And also the working people, they are working their working place, they are wearing uniform. For example, policemen wearing uniform, doctors, nurse, pilots, students are wearing uniform. Okay, so always we wear neat iron uniform. Okay, we should clean our uniform and we should neat and iron uniform. We have to wear neatly. The uniform is very most. Yes, so we need to wear clean and neat uniform. So uniforms make us look smart. Okay, நம்ம யூனிஃபார்ம் போட்டு நம்ம ஒரு அழகா மாறிடுவோம் அப்படிதானே. So uniforms only make us look smart. Yes, so we need to wear neat uniform. Okay, then our next topic, clothes from different states. Okay, for India is the diversity country. India is the diversity country. So we are depending in the state wise, they are depending the cloths, depending the climate condition, they are wearing different cloths. In our Tamil Nadu here we have hot season. Yes, so that we wear cotton cloth. Like in some Jammu Kashmir, there is very cool throughout the year fully, they are very cool season. Yes, in that area, so they wear different uniform like that. So they are depending their climate condition and they are wearing different clothes. Okay, then taking care of cloth, we should take care of our clothes. While we wear cloth, we should take care of our cloth, because the clothes only make us look smart. Yes, so we need to wear good neat iron cloth. Okay, so we should take care of our cloth. When we go outside any functions, we eat food. Yes, so that we try to not spill the food of our cloths. Okay, and we should care our cloths also. So we should wash our clothes and let's try and properly iron them and keep it safe. Okay, this is the caring of our clothes. Okay children, can you understand today's topics? These all the topics already we have learned in previous class. Yes, now can you understand very clearly? Okay, so now today all of you take our social classwork notes. Take our social classwork notes. Let's write our remaining class. Okay, in the previous class we have written missing letter, jumble letter, fill-ups. Yes, that's all we have finished. Yes, so that we have to write our remaining classwork now. Okay children, so all of you take our social classwork notes. Have you taken children? In the previous class we have written missing letter, jumble letters and meanings, fill-ups. Yes, this all we have already finished. Yes, in the previous class. Yes or no? So today all of you write continuously, leave one line and write answer the following. First of all, write today date and day. Write today date and day. After that, leave one line and write answer the following. Write continuously, don't write new page. Okay, write in your old page but leave one line and write. Okay, answer the following. ANSWER. ANSWER. Answer ANSWER. Answer the the FOLLOWING. FOLLOWING. Why? Answer the following. Finished? Then first question. Leave one line and write first question. First one. Why do we need clothes? Why do we need clothes? WHY. Why? WHY. Do. 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 B. WEB. Need. NWED. Need. NWED. Need. Cloth. CLO. THES. CLO. THES. Cloths. Why do we need cloths? CLOTHES. Have you written children? Put question mark. Then for the next line, write answer. First letter should be capital. Okay. We need cloths to cover our bodies. We need cloths to cover our bodies. W-E-B, W-E-B, need, N-double-E-D, 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 need, we need, cloth, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloth, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloth, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloth, we need cloths to cover our body, T-O-2, cover, C-O-V-E-R, C-O-V-E-R, cover, to cover, C-O-V-E-R, cover our, O-U-R, our bodies, B-O-D-I-E-S, B-O-D-I-E-S, our bodies, cover our bodies, O-U-R, our B-O-D-I-E-S, bodies. Have you written, children? Put full stop, all of you. So all of you listen carefully. Why do we need clothes? Why do we need clothes? We need clothes to cover our bodies. We need clothes to cover our bodies. Finished? Then second one. Leave one line and write second one. Why do we wear cotton cloths during the summer season? Why do we wear cotton cloths during the summer season? W-H-Y-D-O do wear, W-E-B, wear, W-E-A-R. Why do we wear, W-E-A-R, wear cotton, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton, cloth, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, 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 cloths. During, D-U-R-I-N-G, during, D-U-R-I-N-G, during, D-U-R-I-N-G, during the summer season, T-H-E, the summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer, season, S-E-A-S-O-N, S-E-A-S-O-N, season, summer season. Have you finished, children? Put question mark, all of you. Why do we wear cotton cloth during the summer season? Okay. Then answer next line. Write the answer next line. First letter should be capital. Touch the line and write. Okay, children, all of you touch the line and write. Okay, write slowly and neatly. Your handwriting should be neat. Okay, it is the time for changing your handwriting. Yes, because a day we have only 2 classes. Yes, yes or no? So we can write slowly and neatly. Yes, so all of you write slowly and neatly. Touch the line and write neatly. Okay, children? Okay. Write the answer. Cotton cloth keep us cool by absorbing the sweat during the summer season. Right? Cotton, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton, cloth, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloth, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloth, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloths, cotton cloths. Keep us cool. K-E-E-P. Keep. K-E-E-P. Keep. U-S-S. Keep us cool. C-O-O-L. Cool. C-O-O-L. Cool. Cotton cloths keep us cool by absorbing. B-Y by absorbing. A-B-S-O-R-B-I-N-G. A-B-S-O-R-B-I-N-G. Absorbing. Absorbing the sweat. T-H-E, the sweat. S-W-E-A-T. Sweat. S-W-E-A-T. Sweat. During. D-U-R-I-N-G. During. D-U-R-I-N-G. During summer season. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer season. S-E-A-S-O-N. Summer season. S-E-A-S-O-N. Summer season. Have you written, children? All of you listen carefully. Why do we wear cotton cloths during the summer season? All of you listen carefully. When I read, you have to listen carefully. Okay, so that you can write, you can read nicely. Okay, children? So all of you listen. Second question. Why do we wear cotton cloths? Why do we wear cotton cloths during the summer season? Say all of you. Why do we wear cotton cloths? Say all of you. Open your mouth. Say. Why do we wear cotton cloths? Say louder. Why do we wear cotton cloths? Then during the summer season. Say all of you. During the summer season. Say louder. During the summer season. Say again one time. Why do we wear cotton cloths during the summer season? Then answer. Cotton cloths keep us cool. Say all of you. Open your mouth. Cotton cloths keep us cool. Say all of you. Cotton cloths keep us cool. I am watching you. So open your mouth. Say all of you. Say louder. Cotton cloths keep us cool. Cotton cloths keep us cool by absorbing the sweat. Cotton cloths keep us cool by absorbing the sweat. By absorbing the sweat during summer season. During summer season. Okay, can you read now? Read all of you. Second question, all of you. Yes, why do we wear cotton cloths during the summer season? Read answer. Cotton cloths keep us cool by absorbing the sweat during the summer season. Okay, very good. All of you read first question. Why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear clothes? We need to wear Why do we need cloth? We need cloths to cover our body. Why do we need cloth? We need cloths to cover our bodies. Okay? Can you read, children, now? Read all of you first question. Why do we need cloths? We need cloths to cover our bodies. Okay, now can you study? Okay, so today all of you have to study these two question answers. Okay, இந்த ரெண்டு கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சரை இன்னைக்கு என்ன செஞ்சிடணும், படித்து ரஃப் நோட்டில் எழுதி பார்த்துணும். சரியா, எல்லாரும் என்ன செய்யணும், படித்து ரஃப் நோட்டில் எழுதி பார்த்து ஸ்கூலுக்கு வரும்போது கொண்டு வரணும். சரியா, அந்த ரஃப் நோட்டை. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், மேம் எல்லா ரஃப் நோட்டையும் பார்ப்பேன். ஓகே, படித்து நீ எப்படி எழுதி பார்த்துருக்கா, படித்து எழுதியிருக்கியா அப்படின்னு நான் செக் பண்ணுவேன். சரியா, அதனால் எல்லோரும் படித்து எழுதி பார்த்து அந்த நோட்டை ஸ்கூலுக்கு கொண்டு வரணும். ஓகே, ஓகேவா? Have you finished two question answers? Okay, leave one line and write third question, all of you. Leave one line and write third question. What type of clothes we own during the winter season? What type of clothes we own during the winter season? Write all of you. WHAT what? WHAT what? TYPE type. TYPE type. OF of. Write neatly children. Write slowly and neatly. Touch the line. What type of cloth? CLOTHES cloth. CLOTHES cloth. What type of cloths we own? WEB own. WORN. WORN. Own during the winter season. DURING during. DURING during. The during the winter season. WINTER. WINTER winter. WINTER winter season. SEASON. SEASON season. What type of clothes we own during the winter season? Put question mark. Have you finished question children? Okay, leave. Next line you write answer. Don't leave the line. Okay, next line you have to write the answer. During the winter season. DURING during. DURING during the winter season. The winter season. WINTER. WINTER winter season. SEASON season. SEASON season. During the winter season we own woolen cloth. WEB own. WORN own woolen cloths. WOOLLEN woolen. WOOLLEN woolen cloths. CLOTHES cloths. Woolen cloths. Put full stop all of you. Have you finished children? So all of you listen. What type of clothes we own during the winter season? During the winter season we own woolen cloths. All of you say with me. Okay, what type of clothes? Say all of you, what type of clothes we own during the winter season? What type of clothes we own during the winter season? Say all of you, what type of clothes we own during the winter season? Okay, Now answer, during the winter season we own woolen cloths. During the winter season we own woolen cloths. So all of you read, children, all of you. What type of clothes we own during the winter season? During the winter season we own woolen cloths. Okay, can you read now? Read, all of you. Yes, very good. We wear woolen cloths. Okay. So leave one line and write fourth question. When do we wear waterproof cloth? When do we wear waterproof cloth? W-H-E-N, when. W-H-E-N, when. W-H-E-N, when. D-O, do. We wear, W-E-V, W-E-V, wear, W-E-A-R, wear, W-E-A-R, wear. We wear waterproof cloth, W-A-T-E-R, W-A-T-E-R, P-R-O, P-R-O-O-F, W-A-T-E-R, P-R-O-O-F, waterproof, W-A-T-E-R, water, P-R-O-O-F, waterproof, W-A-T-E-R, P-R-O-O-F, P-R-O-O-F, proof, waterproof. Cloth, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloth, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloths. When do we wear waterproof cloths? During rainy season, D-U-R-I-N-G, during, D-U-R-I-N-G, during rainy season, R-A-I-N-Y, rainy, R-A-I-N-Y, rainy season, S-E-A-S-O-N, S-E-A-S-O-N, season, rainy season, we wear, W-E-V, W-E-V, wear, W-E-A-R, wear, W-E-A-R, wear waterproof cloth, W-A-T-E-R, W-A-T-E-R, P-R-O-O-F, W-A-T-E-R, P-R-O-O-F, waterproof cloth, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloth, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloths. When do we wear waterproof cloths? During rainy season we wear waterproof cloth. Okay. So all of you listen, children. When do we wear waterproof cloth? Say, all of you. When do we wear waterproof cloth? Say again one time. When do we wear waterproof cloth? During rainy season we wear waterproof cloth. During rainy season we wear waterproof cloth. Okay, can you read, children? Read, all of you. When do we wear waterproof cloth? During rainy season we wear waterproof cloth. Okay, then leave one line and write fifth question. How we can take our clothes, how can we take care of our clothes? How can we take care of our clothes? Write, all of you. H-O-W, H-O-W, how, H-O-W, how, can, C-A-N, can, C-A-N, can, W-E-V, W-E-V, taker, T-A-K-E, T-A-K-E, take, T-A-K-E, take, C-A-R-E, care, C-A-R-E, care, take care of, O-F, of, O-F, of, our clothes, O-U-R, our, O-U-R, our clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, C-L-O-T-H-E-S. How can we take care of our clothes? Have you written, children? Put question mark. Answer. We should take care of our clothes. W-E-B, W-E-B, should, S-H-O-U-L-D, S-H-O-U-L-D, we should, S-H-O-U-L-D, we should take care, T-A-K-E, T-A-K-E, take, T-A-K-E, take, care, C-A-R-E, care, C-A-R-E, care, of, O-F, of, our clothes, O-U-R, our cloth, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloth, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloth. We should take care of our clothes. So we need, yes, next line, okay, first line, this is one sentence, already we have completed, okay, we should take care of our clothes, full stop, okay, then now you have to write our next line, okay, first line you have to write, we should take care of our clothes, already finished, yes, then you write next line, put full stop and write next line. So we need to wash our clothes, let dry and properly iron them, okay, so I have to write next line, S-O, W-E-B, need, N-E-E-D, N-E-E-D, need, to, T-O-2, wash, W-A-S-H, wash, our clothes, O-U-R, our clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, wash our clothes, comma, let try, L-E-T, let's try, L-E-T, yes, let's try, D-R-Y, try, let's try, L-E-T-S, let's try, D-R-Y, try, and properly iron them, A-N-D, and properly, P-R-O-P-E-R-L-Y, P-R-O-P-E-R-L-Y, properly, P-R-O-P-E-R-L-Y, properly iron them, I-R-O-N, I-R-O-N, iron them, T-H-E-M, T-H-E-M, iron them. Have you written, children? Have you written? So listen all of you, how can we take care of our clothes? How can we take care of our clothes? We should take care of our clothes. So we need to wash our clothes. Let's try and properly iron them. Okay, how can we take our clothes? How can we take care of our clothes? We should take care of our clothes. So we need to wash our clothes. Let's try and properly iron them. First நம்ம cloth நல்லா wash பண்ணனும், அப்புறம் நல்லா காய வைக்கணும், அப்புறம் என்ன செய்யணும் ப்ராப்பரா iron பண்ணி வைக்கணும். Okay, this is This is the taking care of our clothes. Okay, first wash our clothes and then try. Okay, let's try and properly iron them. Okay, can you have you written, children? So all of you listen carefully. Third question, what type of clothes we worn during the winter season? Say all of you, what type of clothes we worn during the winter season? During the winter season, we worn woolen cloths. During the winter season, we worn woolen cloths. Say all of you. Read all of you. Oh. Yes. Read answer. During the winter season, we worn woolen cloths. Very good. Then fourth question. Read fourth question. When do we wear waterproof clothes? Answer. Yes. Rainy season. Okay. Then fifth question. All of you read fifth question. How can we take care of our clothes? We should take care of our clothes. So we need to wash our clothes. Let's try and properly iron them. Very good. All are very good, children. Yes. Can you read, children, now? Again in time. All of you read. Third question, what type of clothes we wore during the winter season? During the winter season, we wore woolen clothes. Then fourth question, when do we wear waterproof clothes? During rainy season, we wear waterproof clothes. Then fifth question, how can we take care of our clothes? We should take care of our clothes. So we need to wash our clothes. Let's try and properly iron them. Okay, now everybody can read. Okay, so now we finished our classwork. Okay, children, so today your homework in your book. So all of you take your social studies book. Take your social studies book, all of you. Have you written your classwork, children? Okay, now take your book, social studies book, page number 28. Take your social studies book, page number 28. All of you take page number 28. Have you taken, children? Page number 28. Okay. Page number 28 is there question round, yes? Did you see? Question round, yes? Is there? Yes. In the question round, first one, number first, tick the most appropriate answer. Tick the most appropriate answer. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. That is your homework. That is your homework. Already in the classwork notes, I have written classwork, yes? So that you can see that, otherwise you can find the answer from the book and write the correct answer. Okay. And then second one, answer the following question. Number first, tick the correct answer, and then number two, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. There are 5 questions, yes? Is there? So all of you see your classwork notes and write the correct answer there. Okay? The answers in the classwork notes. So write the correct answer in the book itself. Okay, children? This too your homework. Okay? Today homework page number 28 and 29. Okay, children? Can you write? Very easy only, yes? So you can write, yes? So all of you write the homework in your book itself. Okay, so see the classwork notes and write the correct answer. Okay, children? Okay, children? Then we will see our next class. Okay? Have a nice day.